Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up Settings up, scroll all the way down into General Management, and you should find an option called Reset. Tap on it and then Factory Data Reset. I will give you a message that will remove all the following items, so Google account, system app data, settings, download apps, music, pictures, other user data, and some SD encryptions. There is a SD encryption option, so if you encrypt your SD card using this device, before you start, you most certainly want to decrypt it. Otherwise, the SD card will lose all the data. You won't be able to decrypt it after the hard reset. So make sure you get that sorted out before, if that is actually enabled. So once you are ready, you can just tap on Reset, delete all, and the device will begin the process. So it will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so we can set up the device and it will be ready to be used again. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.